Hello, in this tutorial we will see how to print this hello world. Yeah. So I means in this Spyder ID, if I run this, it will come out. This is the actually the hello world. Okay. Now in case I want to assign this statement in any variable, let's say what happens. If I assign something like this, so now if I run this, what will happen? It is coming hello world. Now in a variable a is a non-type variable. Okay, it is non-type and the value is basically non-type object. You know? So we generally do not do these kind of operations, right? So we generally write something like this. Okay, so in next tutorial in Python we have these things. So let me just restart the kernel so that all the variables should be clearly understood. Okay. So if I run this, let's see what happens. See, if I run this, the first of all the statement is lumberjack is equals to OK. Now if you go to this variable block and if I check, there is a lumberjack name variable is there and it is a string variable. OK is a string, right? And it is OK. And size is 4 because this string contains 4 characters. Okay. Now when I take a is equals to 2 asterisk 8. So what is the meaning of this? The a value of a, if you see here, this is 256, means 2 to the power 8. 2 is multiplied 8 times. So means 2 to the power 8 is the value of a actually. Now what happens when I use a spam and I use this and multiply with 8, then what will be the value of b? So if you see here, if I run type here b, it will come out to be this spam 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 spam. It is repeated 8 times. Now see, a is basically the integer, that is 256 value. Now b is a spam which is multiplied by 8. So if you see, b is nothing but a spam, which is basically a string. Okay, and when I introduce any variable, new variable to a sum by defining the, let's say we have used c, then if I run this also, so if you do not define any variable earlier, then this error will come. Okay, the meaning is that the earlier in this program x is not given. So if I write something like 8, let's say x equals to 2.5. Now if I run this, so it will run, there is no error. Now if you see the value of x, see the value of x is 2.5, that is a floating point, right? Now if I do something like this, for example 8, earlier we have a as an integer, now x is currently floating. Now if I do this operation, so let me do this, so you see x is still a floating point of this, right? It is not an integer, it is a floating point number. Okay, and c is also a floating point number having the same value. Okay, so now in our next code, let's say we again restart this. Now in this code, meanwhile, we see we are actually importing this OS directory, OS module, and when we are using this get CWD feature from this OS, and we actually see what is this D is, and we are actually also using the use of for loop for x in spam print x. So let's start with this. So if I run this, it will come. First of all, actually, let's see what is the value of d. So d is, if you see, D is actually giving the current working directory. This command is basically used to get current working directory. Get current working directory, CWD. So similarly, for X in spam, X is just a variable. Here you can give any other name also. So X in spam, print X. So actually, if you see here, this function, this run. So first is a X in spam. So it will first take this string and first character of the string. So this is S. It will print S. It will again go back and run. Then it will take the, because for loop is there. So we have this P. Automatic increment is there. So P, then A, then M. Okay. So this is about the today's class. Thank you.